next skill is Streamline, and this is one of the places where I would like you to focus on technique of this. So with Streamline, we make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches with a lot of kids. We pretend that we're doing that. So Neil, can you make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with me? You're gonna put your arm out. It's your piece of bread. This is your bread. We're gonna put peanut butter on it, and we're gonna put some jam. What kind of jam should we do? Strawberry. So it's strawberry jam. Then we need what? One more piece of bread, and it's stuck. It's stuck. Okay? This really emphasizes that it's stuck. All right, you're gonna bring your peanut butter and jelly sandwich up. I have one girl that she calls these sandwich glides, and it's the cutest thing. That was new for me this year. But this is called Streamline, okay? So arms up, and they squeeze your ears. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. I will come and check it, and I will say, Kate, I don't want to be able to pull apart your arms. Oh, good job. That's nice and tight. Can you try to pull apart my arms? Try to pull apart my arms. Wow! I got it so tight, okay? If their hands are like this, watch this. Try to pull apart my arms. You ready? So easy. So that's why you want it like this on top, okay? I also tell kids, we do not want Christmas trees. No Christmas trees, okay? Nice, tight, tight, tight. This will help them shoot like a rocket, which is really fun. They'll be able to go faster. It also gets them into the right alignment for when they're learning how to do some strokes. So this is, again, critical that you really correct this Streamline position, okay? All right, Neil, we're gonna do that Streamline. I want you to glide to me. That means no kicking, and I want you to touch my tummy. You're gonna get my belly button, okay? You ready? And go. Neil's been doing this a long time, so he's got a really good Streamline to show you. Nice job, buddy. That was so good. Can you do it one more time for me? I'm gonna take a step back and see if you can go even farther, okay? Okay. So this is fun because some kids, they get a little bit nervous to do it by themselves. And so I'll stand right here and I might guide their arms. I'm actually going to show them how we guide you, okay? Arms up and Streamline, okay? And I would just go like this and I would just put your face in, forehead in the water, boom. That's how I would guide them, okay? I grab from the top. I am not moving, manipulating them from the side. Everything I do is right in alignment at their head with them, okay? So let's do that again. I'm going to go take a few steps back and see how far you can get. Then again, progression based, if they can make it here, maybe they can make it here, and then here, and then here, and eventually they'll be able to make it all the way across without taking a breath, and you will be amazed at how many 3, 4, 5-year-olds can do that. Ready? Arms up. Good job. Put your face in, forehead in the water. Good. Boom. Nice job. That was awesome. Let's try it from the wall. So I like teaching from the stairs because that's what they have access to. If you don't have stairs, then you can teach from the wall. So I call it flamingo, where they put one foot against the wall and one foot down, and they start in Streamline. Okay? He's going to be a flamingo and push off. Good. And to begin with, they might only use one leg to push off. But then they'll get better at getting both legs on the wall and pushing off in Streamline. Try to push off with 2 feet from the wall. Okay? You ready? Boom. There we go. So see how he can make it the full distance. Again, natural progression as we keep going. We're going to go to Streamline on his back. And it's very similar. We can do this from a wall. We can do this from the stairs. Streamline on your back, buddy. I know you're cold. Okay. Arms up. All right. This time, I usually help with this to begin with because it's tough. It's a tough alignment. Okay. Toes are tight, or toes are pointed. Legs are tight. His arms are tight. I'm going to give him a glide. Hum, hum. Okay. Boom. I take his hands and I pull him backwards. I can go as slow or fast as needed based off of their skill level. This time we could do it from the wall. And same thing, they can be a flamingo where they put 1 foot on the wall, 1 foot on the ground, but their arms are up in Streamline. Ready? I'm going to help guide them. Ready? Hum. And he pushes off, okay? Beautiful. This is a very tough skill for little kids to learn. So if they've got this, this is excellent, excellent, excellent. Neil, can you try to do it by yourself? Streamline glide on your back by yourself? A lot of kids struggle with their hips, so you have to remind them to get their hips up at the top of the water. Now they can do Streamline with their face out of the water on their back or their face in the water. Just remind them to hum. Some kids will suction their noses like this. and it's actually really beneficial. A lot of the swim team kids did that too. So either way is great. That they can swim on the top of the water or underneath the water in that streamline glide. And that's fine as long as their body is in the right alignment.